Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class we will discuss about the CSS links, friends. So we already know how to insert a link. Okay, we can use anchor tags to insert links for navigation from one page to the other, right? Okay, so how to style that links, that part we will see now. Okay, so if you want to change the link color, then you select the A, that means anchor tag, and you apply some properties like that link state. So we already, I think, we saw this topic in the last classes. Depending upon the link state, that colors will be changed. So links has some four states, that is unvisited link, visited link, active, like that. So we can make use of that state and we will decorate that one. So in case of unvisited link, we have some pseudo attributes selectors. I think in that class we had discussed this topic, like a colon link, right? So that color, that means link means unvisited link. If the link is unvisited, that color is red. If the link is visited, then that color is green. If you hover this mouse to point to that link, then the color of that link will change. And then if you active means if you select that link, then it will become active, then that color will be blue, like that, right? And the text decoration will also we can able to change. Let us see this part, okay, and then we will move. So I already, let me open this thing also. So between the style tags in the head section, I had defined all these things, okay. So I already pre-typed it. So let me now define a link here, like a, right, uh, href some dummy I had given, uh, I am a link, okay. Here you can see now. So this link is not visited now, okay. Not visited means yet we didn't click on that link, right? So that's why it is appearing. uh, let me add some styles to it, because it is very appearing very low font size. Some say 30 px we can give. Now it became bigger so that it is visible to us. So the link is red, we are not visited yet, so that's why it is appearing as red. If you visit that link, that means if you click this one, then it will become green. But if you hover that, if you point your mouse point to that link, then it will become pink. And if you click that one, it will turn to blue, okay. Clicking means it will be active, you can see now, okay. Now it was turned green because we already clicked that one, okay. That is the concept, friends. And then so the link text decoration means sorry, so the underline, if you don't want this underline, you can give text decoration none. If you give this one, then that link decoration, that means let me for this one we will put here the underline part will go. But if you click this one, then underline is, it will turn to blue, okay. So the underline was gone. And then if you want to give some background color. Okay, like this you can do so many things, friends. So many. So there is no limit. Your imagination is the limit. Okay, so if you want it to be yellow, background yellow, here the yellow background came, no? So like this round corners like that. So you need some artistic mind to do all these things. So the imagination is the limit, friends. You can do so much of makeup kind of things to any content on the web page. Okay, so the main concept I am explaining to you. Okay, so based on the states we can style that one, right? I'm sorry. So this is about links, friends. Okay, this is about styling the links, right? So in the next class we will see the other topics. Till then, bye bye. Yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening.